Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use general site settings for Elementor. This is incredibly useful because it allows you to control the overall look and behavior of your website from one central location, ensuring consistency across all your pages without having to adjust each one individually. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages, then select All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages on your website. Look for the specific page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now, in the Elementor editor, locate the hamburger menu icon in the upper left corner of the left panel. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This icon is your gateway to accessing broader site-wide settings rather than just individual page elements. Go ahead and click on the hamburger menu icon to open the dropdown. You'll see several options appear. From this drop-down menu, click on Site Settings. This section is particularly powerful because it allows you to make global changes that will affect your entire website. It's where you can establish the foundation for your site's design and ensure everything remains cohesive. Once you're in Site Settings, you'll notice several tabs available. Start by clicking on the Layout tab. Here, you can set your content width and container padding based on your specific design preferences. The content width determines how wide your content will appear on the screen, while container padding controls the spacing around your content. Adjust these settings to match your vision for the site's layout. These values will apply across your pages, so take a moment to consider what works best for your overall design. Next, explore the other available tabs, particularly global colors. This feature is incredibly helpful for maintaining brand consistency throughout your site. Click on the Global Colors tab and you'll see options to set primary and secondary colors. Click the color picker for each color option and choose the values that align with your brand or design aesthetic. By defining these colors here, you can easily apply them across various elements on your site without having to manually select them each time. After you've adjusted all your desired settings, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom left of the page. This ensures that all your modifications are properly stored and applied to your website. And that's it. You've successfully configured the general site settings for Elementor, giving your website a consistent and professional appearance across all pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.